People are seriously worried about how quickly Apple might just sideline every other AI chatbot out there.
Wait, really? Is this another feature update, or does it actually change the fundamental interaction model?
It's a massive architectural shift, Rick. They aren't just adding more vocabulary, they've integrated actual large language models.
So, they're not relying on keyword matching anymore. That's the biggest jump.
Exactly. By integrating models like Gemini for semantic understanding, Siri can handle context and complexity that was impossible before.
But if it rivals ChatGPT, which is designed to be a general knowledge engine, what are the inherent limitations of using an OS assistant?
The limitation is actually its strength: deep device integration. It's not just chatting, it's performing actions within your phone, calendar, and apps.
Ah, so the incentive isn't better conversation, but deeper ecosystem lock-in. They make you stay on Apple hardware.
Precisely. The risk for us users is becoming totally dependent on their interpretation of our intent across multiple walled gardens.
Is that where the data indexing comes in? Are they building a comprehensive profile of everything we do, and using that to feed the AI?
It's not just indexing, it's about predictive behavioral mapping. Every query refines its ability to anticipate needs before you even ask them.
That sounds incredibly convenient until you think about who owns that massive repository of personalized data.
That is the core ethical problem, Rick. The promise of convenience comes with a trade-off in autonomy.
And what happens to the dedicated AI platforms like OpenAI? Are they suddenly facing an existential threat from Apple's vertical integration?
They are fighting for relevance. If users trust Siri to be the primary point of interaction, ChatGPT becomes just another novelty app.
So this isn't really about beating Google or OpenAI, it's about making sure no one bypasses the iOS operating layer entirely.
You nailed it. Apple controls the pipes, and now they are building a highly sophisticated water wheel right into the wall.
If this works as smoothly as you say, do we actually need to worry less about cloud-based AI services moving forward?
No. We should be worrying more about the fact that our entire digital life is becoming mediated through one corporation's interpretation of intelligence.
So, Apple isn't just upgrading an assistant. They are potentially creating a single point of systemic failure for personal data control.
Exactly. The biggest shift isn't the AI itself, but the unprecedented level of trust we are forced to place in its omnipresent reach.